basically be more in sync with our own pace and not necessarily just speed up activities. When starting the evaluation of all the entries in the category of optimizing, I've been mostly looking at 3 different areas. The first one is what kind of question this project is asking. Is it a relevant question? Is it something that the world needs some attention on, and so on? The second one is what kind of solution or direction or design direction is the project setting. And the third one was about the process. How did they start from the context and get to a final solution? And when browsing through all the entries and the short list, I have decided to look at the project that would best represent the balanced act between these 3 areas. The best in optimizing is Swegon IQ Navigator, made by and used interaction design as a tool to create a solution to this question. So I love the idea that better crafted a user interface, which is a combination of hardware and software, enable people to master, to control, to make sense in their everyday of how to use energy.
One of the things I really liked about the project was that you could see the quality of the outcome from what was a really kind of robust and rigorous process. They took something that's kind of mundane, like air conditioner units, and turned it into something that was really amazing. It went from being a product that had to be maintained by a dedicated technician to being something that could be managed by the staff in the building that it's installed in.
So imagine how many other areas could be impacted by this approach and dynamic. So I hope that it can be an inspiration for people dealing and working in other major issues and really targeting the context of use and the user as a starting point. It is assumption that if people simply understood better, everyday objects and systems, probably they would also make a more informed and also more responsible choice in everyday.
Thank you. And of course, a big thanks to the team back in Stockholm that couldn't be here. This was a project that was truly bridging the physical and the digital. We had industrial designers, design engineers, we have software developers, interaction designers, researchers on the team, working 3.5 years with a client that really allowed us to do the research, the insights, everything that we know is important to create a great project. And they had no idea what they were going into when they called us. They thought they had one user and that we would solve the problem within half a year. 3.5 years later, we had this product, and they're super happy with it. Thank you.
I did. The whole thing.